Look at what we got out here as they're going to go 1v1, winner take all. If you win the race, you go on to the next round. You got new cars, you got old cars, you got ugly cars. You got a Cadillac out there. Eric, who you picking?
I don't know, but the Corvette's not here, so that means any one of these drivers can win because that Corvette has been a dominating, spectacular drag vehicle.
All right.
So let's bring up the first two here on the list, John.
Well, I don't have a name for this 99 guy right here. I don't know who this is. In the 14, I've got Brian Vines in an 05 Magnum out of Monroe Center. Once again, I don't have a name for you over there, so you're the 99.
Who wants the red 99, the Jeep to win?
Who thinks the Magnum's gonna win? Ooh, watch the starter! Oh, look out, the Magnum with the horsepower.
Got a Hemi, I think. Not a Hemi, a Hemi.
And Brian Vines is going to try to pull away from that 99. The hatch is up on the Jeep.
He's got that jet working in the
Oh
back.
no, the cooler might fall out in the Jeep. Here comes the Magnum and Brian Vines. Woo! Look out.
Watch out for that Hemi.
You guys like that race? How about that for a starter? Maybe the Jeep stood a chance had the hatch not open.
I was waiting for a jet to come out of the back.
Next up in the 22 car.
It's Cutlass, man.
This is his brother or relative, Mike Vines, in a set 84 Cutlass out of Monroe Center. Next to him in that Smokey and the Bandit, number 43 of Tim Brewski, in an 81 Trans Am out of South Beloit. Who wants the Trans Am? Who wants the Cutlass? Who wants to see him hit the wall? Watch the starter!
Look at that, smoking us up, John.
That Cutlass ain't no dog, not at all.
No, that rubber.
They aren't taking it easy whatsoever. Here he comes. Are they going too fast? Are they going too fast? Now it's by. Whoa! Followed by the 22.
Wow, that Trans Am's got a lot in
Tim
it.
Brewski with the whip.
Wow. Just the sound and the velocity
The
down here.
Bandit wakes up in his grave. Next up, in a 2003 Chrysler Town and Country, it's Dakota Paris. I hope you don't have your grandma's van, kid. In the 333 in a 2011 BMW. I have never seen a BMW here. It's Josh Caswell of Lake Geneva. Who wants to see the BMW hit the wall? Who wants to see the grocery go get her flipping upside down? Here we go, watch the starter! Then the Beamer might make mid-speed out of this van.
Yeah, they gotta go get the groceries after this run.
Unless the van's got something for them.
No.
Oh, the Beamer's making it look easy. I know that Bandit and that Trans Am is watching the Beamer.
I don't know, that Trans Am and Beamer look like the top two to me right now.
As is gonna be the Beamer, followed by the van. Grandma's van didn't get it done. Too many groceries from the store still at Myers.
Yeah.
Wow.
The salt back there. 40-pound bags of salt, heavy.
So John Caswell wins that one. Oh, what do we got here? The 45, this Cadillac was here before. I don't have a name on it. The 03 is Mike Mahurin in a Joe 2 GMC Sierra to Rockford. Who wants the Cadillac to pull it off in style? Who's got the Chevy power in the truck? How many of you don't care? Ooh, watch the starter! Not me, the starter.
Daddy was putting the brakes on.
I believe Michael Mahurin in the 03 is one of our Bandit drivers. Car's not back, but he's going to do it in the truck. Maybe. Let's see what that Cadillac can do.
Yeah, if he's not driving one car, he's going to drive a spectacular drag car.
Michael might be going too fast. Hang on to it. He's not. Mahurin goes on. There's the Cadillac.
Yeah, they're turns 1 and 2 didn't do too good for the caddy. Oh, we got a station wagon.
Speaking of groceries and family trucksters, there's one that just pulled up right now. Wow, what do we even got here? We've got Keith Memely in an 86 Pontiac station wagon, a Carroll Stream. And next to him, in the 28, it's Zach Nickel in an 09 Cobalt SS out of Oregon, Wisconsin. Nope, Illinois plates. How many of you want to see the wagon win? Pontiac power. How many want the Cobalt to show them who's boss? Let's find out in Watch the Starter. The wagon. He's got no groceries. There he goes. Look at the wagon go. Here comes the Cobalt. Oh, this is going to get interesting.
Really tight.
Look at this wagon.
Whoa.
This wagon in the world.
Closest one yet, though.
God, Eric, I thought the wagon was going to pull it off.
I love that feel of velocity that I feel right here at the start-finish line when they come across.
So Zach Nickel.
We're in another round here.
All right, round 2. Here we go again. It says souped up number 14. Wagon of Brian Bynes out of Monroe Center. Next to him in the 43, Tim Bruschi. Long live the Bandit. Who wants the Magnum? Who wants the Trans Am? Who wants to see him hit the wall? All right, Watch the Starter. Long live the Bandit, they're side by side. Oh, the Magnum ain't gonna let him go easy. Here comes the horsepower. Pontiac, Dodge.
Oh, switch it.
Oh, no.
They switch lane.
Hang on to it, look out. The win.
Wow.
As the wagon may have soiled his pants, Eric.
Goodness. Woo! That was a good race. We talked about those two being top dogs. Doesn't get any better than that.
So this will be interesting. We've got a Bandit race car driver in the 03 of Michael Mahiran versus a 2011 BMW driven by John Caswell. Who thinks the race car driver is going to prevail and hold this one off? Who thinks the BMW is going to show him what high speed's all about?
That's a
But
beamer.
you don't care. All right, Watch the Starter. Man, listen to the HP on that BMW. Holy cow. It's Mahurin hanging on, but not for long. The BMW going very fast. Look out. He's high in the wall. Hang on to it. It's going to be Caswell the win, followed by Mahiran.
Yeah, the beamer's put up at the end there. Just a little bit. We're getting down to the last couple of cups here.
Semi-final event.
The winner here faces the Beamer
All right.
in a best of 3.
You've seen these cars more than once. We've got Zach Nickel again. We've got Tim Bruschi again. Who's got the Bandit? Who's got the Cobalt SS? Who's ready to watch some racing? Ooh, Watch the Starter! Oh, not me! Not me, Bandit! Oh, here we go! It's green flag! Watch the Starter!
Springer having a little fun as a flag man over there.
They were watching me and then our flagman. Here we go. Look at that Bandit go. Here he comes. Who's it gonna be?
It's the Bandit.
It's the Bandit. Wow.
Listen to that force. I think I felt that in my heart by standing right here.
And now
Jeff's
the
got to
race.
feel that every time over there.
What do y'all think about Spectator drag? You like this stuff? Yeah. And now it's finals.
This is it.
So here's what's going to happen since this is the finals. It's going to be the best 2 out of 3 events. The first lap, they're going to go the way they've been going. The second lap, they're going to go the opposite way. If there's a tiebreaker to decide, they will go back this way. As we have, once again, Zach Nickel in an 09 Cobalt SS on the inside. On the outside, the 43, Long Live the Bandit Trans Am. Who wants Zach Nickel to win? Who wants the Bandit to win? All right, watch the starter! Coming around, it's the Bandit, Tim Brucey. He's pulling away with that American muscle as the German BMW is lagging behind. Here comes the American muscle. Wow. And then the German car.
And the German car.
All right, that's one. We got to go best of 2 or 3.
Well, we're going to go the other way.
Bring them around.
We're going to go the other way around, John. We're going to go the other way. So we went from all nice and easy.
Will this be a different...
Right turns to all left turn.
Will this be a different story, ladies and gentlemen? They're going in the opposite way. They may have set their tires to go that way. And if they did, they could be in for a rude awakening. Who thinks somebody's going to hit the wall? How many of you think the BMW is going to come back and get this one? Not too many. How many of you got that American Muscle Trans Am? All right. Watch the starter. When he's ready, safety off the first. Let's try it again. Watch your flag, man. Watch it. Here we go. What will happen here? Will the BMW catch up? It's going to be American Muscle to pull it off. Wow.
Nice and easy. There will be no third. That's how you end it here in Spectacular
What
Drag.
a race. Long live the Bandit.
Hey, race fans, just a heads up, 50-50 is still going on. It's up to $270, 50-50, so make sure you get your tickets. Oh, look at that Beamer!
Can the Trans Am do that? Oh, he just wrapped his motor up. Did the Beamer call out the Trans Am on a a burnout contest?
He's gonna do one on the backside. He's not done! Look at this Beamer!
Oh, look at it.
Getting swingy on the back.
You guys like that BMW?
It may have been a German car, but it put on a little bit of a show.
Yes, he did. Wow.
Oh, the winner.
Congratulations, Tim Brucey out of South Beloit. Long live the Bandit. I haven't seen a Trans Am out here in I don't know how long. Thanks for bringing it out, Tim.